After we've revealed your beautiful kitchen and you're happy to proceed, we have a bunch of brilliant installers that work with us on your kitchen.
The installer would make contact to run across a site survey. This is a technical survey that goes beyond the standard fitting of a kitchen. The installer will look at absolutely everything: gas, electrics, anything that's needed to finish your project.
So if they do come up with something during the technical survey that means that we have to tweak or change the layout of the kitchen or the design very slightly, I will work with you and with them to make sure that it is still absolutely everything that we want it to be.
Our installers will disassemble your old kitchen and dispose of it responsibly so that you don't have to worry.
From experience, I know how disruptive having a new kitchen installed can be. We recommend that you set up a little kitchenette somewhere where you can go and make tea and toast that's away from where all of the new kitchen's going in. There's going to be noise, there's going to be dust, but it's only for a short period of time. I always say to my customers, it's like camping. You'll cope, but at least you get to sleep in your own bed at night.
With every Wickes installation, you get a 2-year workmanship guarantee. You needn't worry if anything were to go wrong. Our Wickes installer would revisit you and put everything right.
As a team, we basically work together to get the best result. And what you see on the paper become your reality.
Our installation service is also an end-to-end service. We will block up the hatch, we will do all of the plumbing, we will tile the walls, we will plaster the ceiling, we will set the lights in the ceiling, we will lay the floors for you. Anything that needs to be done within the remits of that kitchen, we will take care of.